Hello learners, in the last class you learned what is a set and when do we say that an element belongs to a set and how to represent if an element does not belong to a set. So these are some of the things which we learned in the previous class. Now in this class you are going to learn representation of sets, like how to represent a set, how to show it. There are two ways. One is known as rooster form or tabular form and another is known as set builder form. In this video, I will be teaching you rooster form or tabular form. Fine. Now what is this rooster form? In rooster form, all the elements of a set are listed. The elements are being separated by commas and are enclosed within braces. Now you already know how to represent a set, and the general way which we use is rooster form or tabular form. Like the set of first three natural numbers is 1, 2, 3. Now observe, all the elements of a set are listed. See, they are listed. The elements are being separated by commas. You see there are commas here and they are enclosed within braces. You see this flower brackets. Okay, so there are three things, like major things are there are flower brackets and there are commas and elements are separated. Fine, this is what it is. Now okay, set of colors in a rainbow is, what are the colors in rainbow? Vibgyor, right? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, red, orange. Vibgyor, Vibgior. We all learned it right in our school. Like especially you might have learned this, and that prism which comes in physics in your ninth or 10th somewhere, wherein white light gets, I think it's dispersion only, right? Wherein you get the colors, right? One white light splits into all this. Now next, set of Pandavas. Okay, what is the set of Pandavas? You know, right, who the Pandavas are? And Yudhishthir, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakul, and Sahadeva. Again, you see flower brackets, and the elements are separated by commas. You remember, right? Like we call them as elements or objects or members of a set. This I covered in my previous video. Like this element, like Yudhishthir, we call it as element of the set of Pandavas or object of the set of Pandavas or member of the set of Pandavas. You should know it because in exam it suddenly comes that suddenly you read member or object. You should not get boggled up, or you should not get like confused that, or you should not get bewildered about it. Okay, I don't want you to get into such things. Have clarity, understand what is there in textbook and know it. And a set of all even positive integers less than 7 is 2, 4, 6. Okay, 2, 4, 6. Like even positive integers are, 2, 4, 6, 8, but they are less. You only want numbers that are less than 7. So 2, 4, 6. Fine. Okay. Now there are two things which you need to remember in rooster form. The first thing is, in rooster form, the order in which the elements are listed is immaterial. The order in which the elements are listed is immaterial. That means what? Order does not matter. That means you can write your set as 132 or 312. It's okay. The above set both mean the same. Both mean the same. In future, you will learn what is an equal set. When can we say that two sets are equal? Like if you see these three sets are equal, they have the same elements and same number of elements. What is that? Probably I'll cover it in the future. Fine. But this is it. This is what it means. Like let's say in the exam you wrote the answer as 123 and your friend wrote the answer as 132. So it is okay. Let's say you are someone who is preparing for JEE advanced, okay, and there is a multiple answer question, right? Like multiple answer. Like let's say options could be something like 189 and it could also be 918. Both are correct, you are getting that multiple correct answer. So this is what it means. The order in which elements are listed is immaterial. Immaterial means it does not matter. Fine. Now here is a question. Okay, in this video I have like 5 questions for you. Pause the video once you see the question and try to make an answer and check it yourself. So if you get all 5 questions right, please let me know in the comments box. Okay, and you can like congratulate yourself for it. Fine. Okay, so the first question, pause the video and think. Now the answer: what are the total number of ways of representing the set A, B, C in rooster form? Okay, how many ways in which you can represent this set? Like one is ABC, another is ACB, another is one is B, like A is starting and BC are interchanged. Okay, that is one way. If you want, I can write it and show you. I think you understand, right? You want to see. One is ABC, ACB. Next keep B in the starting, BAC, BCA. Next keep C in the starting, CAB and CBA. I hope it makes sense. Like these are the 6 ways in which, like ABC, obviously, like these are the 6 ways in which you can represent. And my answer is 6. Hope you got that right. Next, one more thing which you need to be careful is while writing the set in roster form, an element is generally not repeated. That is, all elements are taken as distinct. Okay, that is, all elements are taken as distinct. That means repetition is not allowed in a set. Repetition is not allowed in a set. Okay, understand it. Fine. Now, the set of letters forming the word school is SCHOL. Why not? O should actually come twice, right? But O should not be repeated. Understand? O should not be repeated. Now here again, you could get a question like in mains level or advanced level or any competitive exam, something like, let's say you have a quadratic equation. Although they won't give you such easy question, but still, like let's say they will ask you, give me the set of solutions for this set. Write a set showing the solutions for this equation, right, this quadratic equation. The solution x will be 1 comma 1, repeated root 1 comma 1. So if you write it in set form, you should write it only as set containing 1, because in set repetition is not allowed. Okay, repetition is not allowed. So you can remember this. In general, repetition is not allowed. Fine, that's why. Or one more thing, just now you learned, right, the order in which elements are written is also immaterial. This you can write as SCHOL or HOLCS or something else, LCSOH, anything. Fine, answer should be considered. Fine, answer will be considered. Okay, next question. Pause the video and think. Okay, so what is the set of letters forming the word independence? So what all will come? I, N, D, E, P. Now this E has already come before, so I will not write. This N has already come before, so I will not consider. D has already come before, I will not consider it. E has already come before, I will not consider it. N has already come before, I will not consider it. C, I'll consider it. E has already come before. So my set will be set containing I, N, D, E, P, C. I, N, D, E, P, C. If you gave the answer in alphabetical order also, that's fine. Okay, it is totally okay. Now next. So I covered what is a rooster form and what are the 2 things that you need to remember about the rooster form. Now there are 3 questions that I prepared. Now let's see who will get it right. Okay, let's see who will get it right. What is the set of all natural numbers which divide 42? Pause the video and think. The question is, what is the set of all natural numbers which divide 42? 42 is divisible by which natural numbers? See, obviously 1 divides every number, so 1 is going to come. 42 is an even number, so 2, yes. 42, is it divisible by 3? What is the rule to check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not? Just add the numbers, okay? I mean, add the digits in the number. What is 4 plus 2? 6. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then you can say that the number is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. Fine. Is it divisible by 4? No, it is not divisible by 4, because this is like 2 into 21. You are getting an odd number. Is it divisible by 5? Obviously not. 6? Yes. Because it's divisible by 2 and 3, it will be divisible by 6. Next. 7? Yes. 7 6 are 42. Next, anything else you get in this? Like you can get 14, because 3 14s are 42 and 2 into 21 and 42 itself. So you get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Fine. So the set of all natural numbers. Hope you got it correct. Next question. What is the set of all natural numbers which are greater than 40 and less than 60 and are divisible by 3? Chalo, pause the video and think. Now let's go to the answer. Numbers greater than 40 and less than 60 and are divisible by 3. I already told you the rule. How to check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not? Find out the sum of digits. If the sum of digits is divisible by 3, then we say that the number is divisible by 3. Okay, chalo. Now 40, just a greater than 40 means I need to consider 41. 41 is a divisible by 3. 4 plus 1, 5. No, 5 is not divisible by 3. So 41 is not divisible. Let me go to the next number, 42. 42 is it divisible by 3? Yes, 42 is divisible by 3. Okay, 42 is divisible by 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. So after 42, what will be the next number? Add 3. First you will get 42. First you will get 42. Next add 3, 45. Again add 3, 48, 51, 54, 57, and 60 should not be considered because it should be less than 60. So the answer is 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57. That's it. You should not take 60 because here the question is less than 60. Hope you got it right. Now the last question is a little tough one. Not tough exactly. Right. What is the set of all numbers which are greater than 28 square and less than 29 square and are divisible by 15? Okay. Pause the video and think. Now here, what is 28 square? 28 square is 784. What is 29 square? 29 square is 841. So I need to find out all the natural numbers which are greater than 784 and less than 841 and are divisible by 15. Listen to this. If a number should be divisible by 15, it has to be divisible by 3, it has to be divisible by 5 also. Okay, it has to be divisible by 3, it has to be divisible by 5 also. How do we know if a number is divisible by 5? At the end, the units place must be 5 or 0. The units place must be 5 or 0. Then we say that the number is divisible by 5. Okay, let's get started. After 784, what do I get? 785. Okay, 785, is it divisible by 5? Yes, because there is a 5 in the units place. Yes, 785 is divisible by 5. But is it divisible by 3? Let me check. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Okay, no. It's not divisible. Let me go to the next number which is divisible by 5. 790. 7 plus 9 is 16. No, it is not divisible by 3. Next, 795. 795. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. Yes, 21 is divisible by 3. So 795 is divisible by 15. Because 795 is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 5 also. Hence it is divisible by 15. So 795 is divisible by 15. What is the next number that will be divisible by 15 after 795? It will be add 15 to this. So you will get 810. Again add 15. 825. Again add 15. 840. Can I go more? No. My limiting number is 841. So I cannot go more. So numbers are 795, 810, 825 and 840. So this is my answer. I hope you got all the 5 answers right. In case you got all the 5 answers right, just let me know in the comment box. If you feel you made any mistake somewhere, tell me that also so that I can understand where you are making a mistake. And please do let me know in the comments box how you felt about this video. Fine, because I'm going pretty, I think I'm not going too fast. I'm covering the topic and a few questions to, for you to practice it. So without any delay, I'll take my leave right now. Hope to see you in the next video wherein I'll be covering set builder form. Okay, thank you.